This graduate certificate opened a lot of doors for me, so I would say it's a great first step for anyone that's trying to advance their career in data analytics or who has an interest in it. Hi, I'm Taylor Denman. I'm a sales analyst for Comcast Business Services. My favorite part of the program was definitely being able to get hands-on in some of the tools that the industry is using today, like Tableau, Power BI. Advice I'd give to prospective students would be, don't be afraid if it's been a while since your last class. Just dive right in if this is something you're passionate about or that interests you. I find that you're gonna be able to hold yourself accountable and achieve to the best of your ability. I personally loved the virtual format. I found it convenient and flexible in that I can sort of log in from my own home, comfort of my own desk, not held to going to a campus and being in lectures from a certain time period. But I also found that the professors were extremely flexible, always willing to engage, during hours, after hours, and holding office hours at convenient times for students who have full-time positions. This graduate certificate opened a lot of doors for me, so I would say it's a great first step for anyone that's trying to advance their career in data analytics, whether you're in a data science field or not.